So now I am going to explain you the points of hands. Points of hands means there are basically three particular points. The first is coincidence. Coincidence means when the minute hand and the hour hand will coincide each other. So coincidence is, let's say, 0 degree or they are together. Okay, they are together. Next is when the hour hand and minute hands are right angles each other. Third case, when they are opposite to each other. They are opposite to each other. Opposite to each other means the angle between them is 180 degree. Okay, tell me a particular time when minute hand and hour hand will be coinciding with each other. You might be thinking that it is very easy, right? At 12 o'clock, hour hand and minute hand are coinciding with each other. Not only 12 o'clock. Suppose I am asking you between 3 p.m. and 4 p.m. First point we will discuss first. That is coincidence. Or they are together and they are making 0 degree angle between them. Please keep it in your mind. Hands of clock coincidence once in every 1 hour. Between every 1 hour there will be a coincidence point, but between 11 to 1 there will be only one coincidence point. Means from this range to this range only one coincidence point, that is at 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. Okay, that is at 12 p.m. or 12 a.m. Otherwise from 1 to 2 there will be 1, 2 to 3, 1. So in this way, how many coincidence points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and from here to here 1. So total 11. So total 11 coincidence point out of these 12 hours. Okay. So in 12 hours, how many coincidence points? There will be 11. So 11 times, I am writing here 11 times in every 12 hours. Every 12 hours they will coincide each other. Coincidence means the minute hand and hour hand together. Okay, so in 11 times in every 12 hours. So in 24 hours means in the whole day, how many times they will coincidence? 22 times, because 11 into 2, 22. So 22 times every 24 hours means in one complete day there will be 22 times they will coincidence each other. Okay, so now an example of coincidence. Okay, so you can see the question is given. Suppose at what time between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock hands of the clock will be coincidence. So between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. Okay, so 3 is the most important priority because it is between 3 to 4. So 3 is the priority because it starts from 3 o'clock, right? So I am drawing over here. This is 3 o'clock. You can see the hour hand will be at 3 and the minute hand will be at 12, because at 3 o'clock you know that hour hand will be towards 3 and minute hand towards 12. So how much minute from 12 to 3 means how much minute is there? From here to here it is 5 minutes, 1 to 2 another 5 minutes, 2 to 3 another 5 minutes, total 5 plus 5 plus 5, total is 15 minutes. So this is the gain. So please keep it in your mind. Whenever this type of question will be given to you, always you have to keep it in your mind that the gain is nothing but the angle, the two hands, how much minute they are occupying, right? For example, from 12 to 3 it is 15 minutes, so the gain equals to 15 minutes. Okay, now next, 1 hour. Once again I am telling you, in 1 hour, minute hour how much gain? Minute hour, minute hand gain, how much gain? 55 gain in 60 minutes, right? So in 1 minute, how much? 60 by 55 minutes. So it is nothing but 12 by 11. So formula is nothing but required time equals to gain multiplied with 12 by 11. Only you have to remember this 12 by 11. Please keep it in your mind. Already I explained in the introduction part, right? That 12 by 11, this number you have to remember, and gain you can get from here because it is 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock means how much minute? That is 15 minutes, right? So gain is 15, that's why, right? So what is the required time? Required time. So time will be equals to gain is how much? 15 is the gain, and 12 by 11. If you multiply 15 into 12, that is 180. 180 by 11. If you divide, this is coming 16 4 by 11. 16 4 by 11, that means 3 PM ऑलरेडी हो गया था, 3 PM ऑलरेडी हो चुका था। 3 PM के बाद कब जाके वो लोग मैच करेगा? They will coincident each other 16 minute and something, 16 minute and something. So time would be equals to 3 PM, 16 minute and something. Something means this is fraction of seconds actually, few seconds only, right? This is not the option B is the correct. There are 4 options are given to you. So 3:16 में they will coincide each other. So I will to show this is 3 PM, right? This is 3 PM, right? Next it is going. This is 3:15, and this is 3:16, and you can see the minute hand and hour hand are coincidence each other, right? The minute hand and the hour hand coincidence each other at 3:16. So you can see this is the result. 3:16 में they will coincide each other. So at what time? Question was between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. This is the time where they will coincidence each other. So are you getting my points? Now next. So here you can see the another example of second example. At what time? Between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock, the hands of the clock will be coincide. Between 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock. So formula, again the formula is required time. Required time is how much? Required time is nothing but gain multiplied with 12 by 11. That is the formula. The gain, how to get gain? So first of all, it is 7 o'clock means the this is hour hand towards 7 and minute hand towards 12. From 12 to 7, how much minute completed? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So from 12 to 7 clockwise 35 minutes completed. Please keep it in your mind. So this is the gain. So here gain means equals to 35. Okay, so how to calculate gain is nothing but very easy. You have to calculate clockwise how much minute it has been completed, the minute between the two hands, hour hand and the minute hand. So minute hand and hour hand, how many minutes are there? 35 minutes. You can count it. This is 5 minutes, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. So from 12 to 7 there will be total 35 minutes. So that's why gain equals to 35, right? So now formula, required time. So time would be equals to gain multiplied with 12 by 11. Okay, gain multiplied with 12 by 11, it is nothing but 420 by 11. If you divide it, it will be coming 38 whole 2 by 11. Okay, now what is the time? Here time is nothing but what is the time? Time is already 7 बज चुका था, ठीक है? तो 7:38 and few seconds. They will coincide each other. They will coincide each other at 7:38 approximately. 7:38 they will coincide each other. Okay, I just want to show you that. You can see in my hand. You can see in my hand at 7:38. I am showing you here at 7:38 whether they will coincide or not. 7:38. This is 7 o'clock. You can see this is 7 o'clock. next it is coming clockwise. I am going to 38. This is 7:35, 36, 37 and 38. So do you understand? At 7:38, two hands, hour hand and minute hand, coincidence each other. Okay, so this is how you have to remember. Very easy formula. Required time is gain into 12 by 11. So 12 by 11 you have to remember, and gain you have to calculate how much minute between minute hand and hour hand. Here you can see between minute hand and hour hand how much minute, total 35 minutes. So gain equals to 35. That's it. Now here you can see the third example. At what time between 11 o'clock and 12 o'clock hands of the clock will be coincide? Between 11 and 12. Very important question. So now 11 o'clock means you can see this is 11 o'clock, small hand, and the larger hand means minute hand over in the 12. So this is 11 o'clock. Okay, according to timing you know that this is 11 o'clock. Now 11 o'clock means how much minutes is covering from 12 to 11 clockwise. How much minute? 55 minutes. You can count over here. 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So that means how much gain? Gain is 55. How much gain? Gain is 55. That's it. Now required time formula is, required time formula equals to gain multiplied with 12 by 11. 12 by 11. Now gain is 55 into 12 by 11. Now 11 5s are, so 5 into 12 60. So just try to understand. 11 o'clock already ho chuka tha. Okay, so what is the time? Time is nothing but 11:60. So what does it mean? 11:60. 11:60 is nothing but, can I say 12 o'clock? 12 o'clock. 11:60 is nothing but 12 o'clock. So that means at exactly 12 o'clock they will coincide each other. Okay, so this is how you have to solve. I have given 3 examples. So in the next video we will explain the right angles and opposite to each other. Thank you. That's all for today.